ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ। ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੇਰੇ YouTube ਚੈਨਲ ਜਪਜੀ ਇਨਫੋਟੈਕ ਤੇ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਕੰਪਿਊਟਰ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਕਲਾਸ 9th ਲੈਸਨ 5 ਮਾਈਕਰੋਸਾਫਟ ਐਕਸਲ ਪਾਰਟ 2 ਦੀ ਰਿਵੀਜ਼ਨ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਏ ਹਾਂ। ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਟਰੂ ਫਾਲਸ, MCQ, ਫਿਲਅਪਸ, ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਐਂਡ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਰਾਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਵਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਟਰੂ ਔਰ ਫਾਲਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਹੈ ਜੀ, ਇਨ ਏ ਸਪਰੈਡਸ਼ੀਟ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਵਰੀ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ must begin with the equal sign, and the right answer is true. Second one is, when a formula is copied, an absolute reference automatically changes according to its new position. False. Third one is, conditional formatting can change the formatting of a cell based on its value. True. Fourth one is, the count function adds all the numbers in a range that satisfy a given condition, and the answer is false. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਲਟੀਪਲ ਚੋਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੰਬਰ 5 ਹੈ ਜੀ, which of the following represent a mix reference, and the options are A1, $A, $1, A$1, and the last one is $1A, and the right answer is A$1 represent a mix reference. And the sixth question is, if the formula equal to A1 plus B1 is copied one row down in the same column, what will the new formula be? And the options are equal to A1 plus B2, equal to B2 plus C2, equal to A2 plus B2, and the last one is equal to A1 plus B1. And the right answer is, if the formula equal to A1 plus B1 is copied one row down in the same column, then the new formula be equal to A2 plus B2. And the seventh question is, which operator has the highest precedence in Excel? And the options are asterisk, percentage, caret, and the last one is plus sign. And the right answer is percentage operator has the highest precedence in Excel. Eighth question is, if cell C2 contains the value 33, what will the formula equal to if parenthesis open C2 greater than equal to 33, comma in the double quote pass, comma in the double quote fail, then right parenthesis close display. And the options are pass, fail, nothing, and the last one is error. And the right answer is, if the cell C2 contains the value 33, then the formula display pass. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ fill in the blanks ਬਾਰੇ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ 9th question ਹੈ ਜੀ, the conditional formatting option is available on the dash ribbon tab, and the right answer is, the conditional formatting option is available on the home ribbon tab. And 10th question is, the symbol used for exponentiation operator is dash, and their answer is, the symbol used for the exponentiation operator is caret. And 11th question is, the dash function adds the value of cells that satisfy a given condition. And the right answer is, the sum if function adds the value of cells that satisfy a given condition. And 12th question is, the result of the formula equal to 5 plus 3 into 2 is dash, and the answer is, the result of the formula equal to 5 plus 3 into 2 is 11, because first of all, multiply operator has the highest precedence than the plus operator. So first of all, it multiply, that is 3 into 2 equal to 6. So 6 plus 5 equal to 11. So 11 is the right answer. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ short answer type questions ਪੜਾਂਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ question number 13 ਹੈ ਜੀ, what is a formula? How is a formula written for a specific operation? And the answer is, a formula is an expression used to perform calculation in a spreadsheet. Every formula begins with an equal sign. It can include numbers, cell reference, operator, and functions. For example, equal to A1 plus B1 adds the value in cells A1 and B1. Formulas are used to calculate total, averages, percentage, and many other mathematical operations automatically. And 14th question is, what is the purpose of using parentheses in a formula? And the answer is, parentheses are used to control the order of calculation in a formula. Excel performs the calculation inside the parentheses first. This helps produce accurate result. For example, equal to parenthesis open a1 plus b1 parenthesis close multiply 2. First add a1 and b1, then multiply the result by 2. Without parentheses, Excel follow its normal order of precedence. So 15th question is explain the use of the if function with a real life example. And the answer is the if function is used to make decisions based on a condition. It returns one value if the condition is true and another value if it is false. For example, equal to if parenthesis open b2 greater than equal to 40 comma in the double quote pass comma and the double quote fail parenthesis close. It check whether a student has scored 40 or more marks. If the condition is true, it display pass, otherwise it display fail. It is widely used in result sheet and reports. 16th question is explain the use of conditional formatting. And their answer is conditional formatting automatically changes the appearance of cell based on specified condition. It can highlight high or low values, duplicate entries, dates, or specific text. It helps identify important information quickly. It improves data analysis and make worksheet more attractive and easier to understand. And 17th question is what happens when a formula contains multiple operators? Explain the order of precedence. And the answer is when a formula contains multiple operators, Excel follows the order of precedence to perform calculations. Parentheses are evaluated first, followed by exponentiation, multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. This ensures that the formula produces correct and consistent result. Parentheses can be used to change the default calculation order. 18th question is explain the SUMIF function with a suitable example. And the answer is the SUMIF function adds values that satisfy a given condition. Its syntax is equal to SUMIF parenthesis open range comma criteria comma sum underscore range parenthesis close. For example, equal to SUMIF parenthesis open a1 colon a10 comma in the double quote apple comma b2 colon b10 parenthesis close. This adds the values in cell b2 to b10 where the corresponding cell in a2 to a10 contain apple. It is useful for calculating total based on specific conditions. So ਹੁਣ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਰਟ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੌਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਟਾਈਪ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਪੜਾਂਗੇ ਜਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੰਬਰ 19 ਹੈ ਜੀ ਡਿਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾਸ ਐਂਡ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਵਿਦ ਸੁਟੇਬਲ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਪਲਸ ਐਂਡ the answer is a formula is an expression used to perform calculations in Excel. Every formula begins with an equal sign. It may contain numbers, cell references, operators, and functions. For example, equal to a1 plus b1 add the values in cell a1 and b1. A function is a predefined formula that performs specific tasks automatically. Excel provides many built-in functions such as sum, average, max, min, count, if, and SUMIF. For example, equal to sum parenthesis open a1 colon a10 parenthesis close. So this add all the number from a1 to a10. And similarly, another function that is equal to average parenthesis open b1 colon b5 parenthesis close. So the average function calculates the average of selected values. So functions save time, reduce manual calculation, and improve accuracy. They are useful in preparing reports, analyzing data, and performing mathematical and logical operations. So formula and functions are among the most powerful features of Excel. And the 20th question is explain the difference between relative, absolute, and mixed references. Give an example of each. And the answer is Excel provides three types of cell references: relative, absolute, and mixed. So the first one is relative reference. A relative reference changes automatically when copied. For example, equal to a1 plus b1 become equal to a2 plus b2 when copied one row down. Second one is an absolute reference. An absolute reference remains fixed by using $sign. For example, equal to $A, $1 plus B1 always refers to cell A1 even when copied. Third one is mixed reference. A mixed reference fixes either the row or the column. For example, equal to A $1 plus V1 keep row 1 fixed while the column changes, whereas equal to $A1 plus V1 keep column A fixed while the row changes. Relative references are useful for repeated calculation, absolute references for constant values, and mixed reference for table and formula requiring partial locking. So 21st question is discuss the use of conditional function with a suitable decision making examples. And the answer is conditional function help Excel make decision based on logical function. The most commonly used conditional function is if. It checks whether a condition is true or false and return different result accordingly. For example, equal to if parenthesis open C2 greater than equal to 50 comma in the double quote pass comma in the double quote fail parenthesis close check whether a student has scored at least 50 marks. If the score is 50 or above, Excel display pass, otherwise it display fail. Conditional functions are widely used in school, offices, businesses, payroll system, and sales reports. They simplify decision making, improve accuracy, and save time by automatically evaluating conditions. So 22nd question is what are comparison operator? And the answer is comparison operator are symbols used to compare two values in Excel. The main comparison operators are equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and the last one is not equal to. These operators return either true or false. They are commonly used in logical functions such as if, COUNTIF, and SUMIF. For example, equal to if parenthesis open A1 greater than 50, comma, in the double quote pass, in comma, in the double quote fail, right parenthesis close. It check whether the value in A1 is greater than 50. Comparison operators are useful for filtering data, creating reports, applying conditional formatting, and making logical decision in spreadsheet. ਸੋ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਮੀਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਪਾਠ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ਨ ਉੱਤਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਾਪੀ ਤੇ ਨੋਟ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।